Greetings, this is Ralph back again, and in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about attitude and focus. What is your focus on if you're a network marketer or online marketer? Are you thinking like an affiliate salesperson and just thinking about making sales? Or are you, if you're into network marketing or MLM marketing, are you thinking about building a team? And there is a major difference, and I've caught myself in this thinking. In the beginning, when I was getting into like the Power Lead system, where we're rewarded for building good teams and given bonuses when you recruit, productive team members, I was thinking more or less like an Amazon affiliate marketer. I was wanting to make sales. I was wanting to get my $20 commission or $6 commission or any kind of a commission just off of making sales. And it took me a few months to really get my head in the right direction, thinking that, as a MLM or network marketer, it's not just about making a sale. It's about building the right team. As an Amazon associate or any other affiliate marketing type program that does not have an MLM structure, it's great to make sales and it's great to focus on those sales. But when you're in an MLM type industry, you really need to focus on building a strong team. And let's just take a look here at my Power Lead system page. In the Power Lead system, just to kind of focus on the difference between thinking about making sales and thinking about building a strong team, we can use the example that, like when you sell a gold level membership to somebody, okay, they pay $57.97 to use the Power Lead system, to become an affiliate of the Power Lead system, and to begin, marketing the system to other people, as well as using the system in their own primary business, whatever that may be. And so you get $20 every time you make a sale. I mean, and that's great. But what it took me a while to begin to figure out and to appreciate is that when you get strong team members on your team, good people working under you that begin to make sales of their own, it becomes a lot better than just making a $20 commission. You see, in the Power Lead system, they have an MLM type structure where when they become a member, you get the $20 commission, and each month that they remain a member, you get that $20 commission. But where it gets sweet for you is that when the people who are under you, the people that you have recruited, when they get out there and they start becoming successful, you get a 50% bonus on their entire pay line. So like if they make $1,000 in sales one month, you get a $500 bonus. If they make $5,000 in sales for one month, you get a 50% matching bonus of $2,500 for that month. So that's where the big difference is between focusing on earning commissions, making sales and earning your own commissions, and building a strong team of good marketers or people who want to learn how to become good marketers, who will be likely to succeed, who will be willing to put the work in to succeed, because when they do that, you get rewarded yourself. by being paid a bonus on the amount of money that they make. You get a 50% matching bonus. So if you get a really good go-getter on your team, if you attract, a good hard-working person or a group of hard-working people, they will do well in this program, and you will do well profiting off of their efforts as well as your own, but you also profit off of their efforts. So that's where, in programs like this, we really do need to be focused not just on making sales, but on attracting good, strong team members and building a team. And so this new realization has me kind of rethinking my entire approach to marketing Power Lead System, because I was going into like Facebook groups and seeing, okay, who's having a hard time making money online, and maybe I can present to them this program and they can take it and they can do something with it, and I can make that commission, and they can do well too. And that's all well and good, but what I've been noticing working with the Facebook groups is that you get an awful lot of people who are just of the wrong mindset, very negative minded people. People who have been taken in by scam after scam after scam, or people who are afraid of falling for a scam, and they're not just cautious, they're what I think of as being overly cautious and wanting to blame other people for their problems. And that's the key to a bad team member right there, is having a person that cannot take personal responsibility for running their own business and making it profitable, and just wanting to blame everybody else for everything bad that's ever happened to them. That kind of a mindset does not make a good team member. Now, maybe you'll find somebody like that in a Facebook group and sell them on the Power Lead System or the Lead Lightning system or the free lead system, and maybe they'll take it and they'll work their way into it, and they'll become a pretty good success. But my experience with these programs is these are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are not schemes where you're going to start making money fast. These are schemes where you have to work day in and consistent efforts every single day to build up your business. And then once you get it built up, it starts making you money. But it's not something where, like a lot of people on Facebook groups, they say, I need $100 by Friday. Can you give me a program that'll let me do that? I mean, they're not really looking for an entrepreneurial position. They are looking for a job. And folks like that will not generally make very good team members. But what you need are folks that have the right attitude, folks that want to build their own business, folks that are willing to put in the time that it takes to get their business going. And also, if you can find folks that have network marketing experience from the get-go, they are going to be your stronger team members. So in my own Power Lead System business, what I'm beginning to focus on, I'm not really focusing that much on Facebook groups. I'm not giving up on Facebook groups, but I'm expanding my reach to include something called MLM Gateway. That is an MLM community made up of people who are into a multitude of different multi-level marketing opportunities. And it's a community where they share what they're doing and they see, are you interested in this opportunity? I might be interested in some other kind of opportunity, and we just talk back and forth and swap out ideas. Hey, I'm into this. Would you be interested? And you get a lot of good network marketers, MLM marketers, who are very attracted to certain business setups. And you can give them something like the Lead Lightning system or the Power Lead system, and they have marketing experience. They can see the potential that's in that system, and they can take it, become a member of it, and start doing well in it, within a short period of time. And those are the people that you really want to attract to become your team members. Another social media platform that I'm beginning to focus on is LinkedIn. And of course, LinkedIn, again, you have more serious-minded business people. Not folks who are necessarily looking just for a job, although there are those kind of people there too. But you also get the professionals that want to begin to build up their own home business. They want to get out of the office. They want to, get away from those daily commutes, working the 9 to 5, and they want to find out, how can I build up a business of my own? And they have the capital, they have the investment money to put into it. And so naturally, those professionals like that make good team members too. They make excellent prospects. And if you can present the Power Lead system or whatever other opportunity you may have to them, they're more likely to take that opportunity, take a good look at it, use their experience to turn it into something successful for them, which really helps them. And then, because they're on your team, it helps you too, because again, that 50% matching bonus. If they make good money one month, you're rewarded with a 50% matching bonus on their pay line. So if you are into the Power Lead system, Lead Lightning, or something similar, I think what we need to do is just not think so much in terms of making sales and earning commissions, but think more long term. Sales are great. Earning commissions is great too. But when you start getting really good team members on your team, and they're making good money, and you're making passive bonus income off of their efforts, that's where the real magic of these networks really begins to kick in. And so make those sales, earn those commissions, but also focus on how can you expand your network, how can you put some really quality team members on your team. And when you do that, the magic will happen. This is Ralph signing out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.